Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates and automobile graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Tata Technology. So now they are recruiting BE mechanical production and automobile engineers. Almost 4 to 9 openings are there in India and abroad. If you want to apply now means you can apply using the link provided in the description. I will provide all the details in the description. Read carefully and apply for the job. The company name is Tata Technology. The company is Tata Group that provides services in engineering and design, product lifecycle management, manufacturing, product development, and IT services. And even in aerospace also they play a major role in manufacturing and the supplies of the aeroparts. So in abroad you can apply. It is a subsidiary of Tata Motors. So PT, that is the job title will be PT Fuel Design, and job location in Bangalore and Pune job location. So totally 10 vacancies are there for BE mechanical production and automotive engineers. The role will be a design engineer. You need to have experience between 3 to 5 years of experience. Number of question will be 3. Your role is commodity owner or project manager, and you need to that if in case you are applying for the role of your commodity owner means you need to have an experience between 6 to 8 years. For this, number of question will be 3. So other decide skills like you need to have complete knowledge on new product development process from a design stage to production stage. I will provide all the information in the description. Read carefully and also provide the link to apply. Use the link and apply for the job. They will be contacting you or intimating you through through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. Kindly have a frequent check of your mail and registered mobile number for further updates from the company. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical and automobile graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to your mechanical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly subscribe our channel and share and stay tuned to the channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.